For thousands of years, dogs have been our loyal friends and family. But how much of what we know about them is actually true? Over time, myths and old beliefs have shaped how we see our four-legged companions, sometimes leading us way off track. Today, we're busting the top 5 dog myths with real science. Get ready. What you learn might surprise you. Let's kick things off with a classic myth, that dogs see the world in black and white. For years, people thought our canine companions missed out on the beauty of colorful sunsets and vibrant toys. But is their world really so dull? The truth is, dogs do see color, just not the same way we do. Humans have 3 types of color receptors, or cones, letting us see a full rainbow. Dogs, on the other hand, have only 2 types of cones, so their world is mostly shades of blue and yellow. For example, a bright red ball on green grass might look brown or gray to your dog, making it hard to spot. But a blue or yellow toy will stand out clearly. If you want to make fetch more fun, choose toys in those colors. But don't feel bad for your pup. While their color vision is limited, dogs have some superpowers we don't. Their eyes are packed with light-sensitive cells called rods, giving them excellent night vision. They also have a special layer called the tapetum lucidum, which makes their eyes glow in the dark and helps them see in low light. Dogs are also experts at spotting movement. Their eyes are designed to detect even the slightest motion, which made them great hunters and now helps them notice a tossed ball or a squirrel in the yard. So, while dogs may not see the world exactly as we do, their vision is perfectly tuned for their needs. Understanding how your dog sees can help you choose better toys, train more effectively, and appreciate the amazing way they experience the world. Myth number 2, tail wagging. Most people think a wagging tail always means a happy dog, but that's only part of the story. Dogs use their tails to communicate with both other dogs and humans. The position, speed, and direction of the wag all send different messages. For example, a relaxed, sweeping wag usually means a friendly dog, while a slow, low wag can signal uncertainty or nervousness. A high, stiff wag might mean the dog is feeling threatened or even aggressive. Scientists have even found that dogs wag more to the right when they're happy and to the left when they're stressed. Next time you see a wag, look closely. Remember, breed and tail shape matter too. Some dogs have short or curly tails that wag differently. The best way to understand your dog's feelings is to watch their whole body, not just the tail. Myth number 3. You can't teach an old dog new tricks. But is that really true? Let's dig into the science. Studies in canine cognition show that older dogs are absolutely capable of learning new skills. Their brains remain adaptable, especially when challenged with new activities. In fact, mental stimulation, like training, puzzle toys, and games, can help keep senior dogs sharp and even slow cognitive decline. Take Max, a 10-year-old rescue, who learned to ring a bell for treats, or Bella, who picked up new agility tricks at age 12. Experts recommend using patience, positive reinforcement, and short, fun training sessions. Avoid overwhelming your dog, keep it light and rewarding. And remember, learning isn't just about tricks. Teaching an old dog new routines like gentle leash walking or scent games can boost their confidence and happiness. So, next time you hear someone say old dogs can't learn, you can tell them. Science and real-life stories prove otherwise. Myth number 4. If your dog's nose is dry or warm, they're sick. Let's dig into the science behind this common belief. A dog's nose is amazing. It's packed with moisture glands and blood vessels that help them pick up scents. But its temperature and wetness naturally change throughout the day. For example, a dog's nose might be cool and wet after drinking water, dry after a nap, or warm after playing outside. These changes are totally normal. So, a dry or warm nose doesn't mean your dog is sick. What really matters are other signs, like loss of appetite, low energy, vomiting, coughing, or unusual behavior. If you notice any of these symptoms, or if your dog just seems off, it's best to check with your vet. Regular checkups and knowing your dog's normal habits are the best ways to keep them healthy. So next time you feel your dog's nose, remember, it's just one small part of the bigger health picture. Myth number 5. The 1 dog year equals 7 human years formula is everywhere, but it's not that simple. Dogs actually age much faster in their first 2 years. After that, their aging rate depends on their size and breed. For example, a 1-year-old dog is like a teenager, about 15 in human years. But a Great Dane and a Chihuahua age very differently after that. Small breeds tend to live longer and age more slowly, while large breeds mature quickly and reach their senior years sooner. Scientists now use more accurate formulas, like the 16ln dog age plus 31 inches equation, to estimate a dog's age in human years. But the best way to know your dog's needs? Pay attention to their life stage, puppy, adult, or senior, and adjust care as they grow. Puppies need socialization and gentle training. Adults thrive on exercise and mental challenges. Seniors benefit from regular vet visits, comfy beds, and a little extra patience. No matter their age, every dog deserves love, attention, and care tailored to their stage of life. Myth 1. Dogs don't see in black and white. They see blues and yellows. Choose toys in those colors for more fun. Myth 2. A wagging tail isn't always happy. It's a complex signal. Watch the whole dog to understand their mood. Myth 3. Old dogs can learn new tricks. Training keeps their minds sharp and strengthens your bond. Myth 4. A dry or warm nose doesn't mean sickness. Look for real signs like energy and appetite. Myth 5. Dogs don't age 7 years for every human year. Size and breed matter most for aging. Found this helpful? Like, subscribe, and share to help more dog lovers bust these myths. What if your dog could be even smarter, more attentive, and happier, starting today? Many dogs get bored and act out, chewing, barking, or ignoring commands because their minds need a challenge. Brain training games are the answer. Simple, fun exercises can keep your dog engaged and mentally sharp, no matter their age. With just a few minutes a day, you'll notice your dog is smarter, calmer, and happier. Plus, your bond will grow stronger than ever. Ready to unlock your dog's full potential? Click the link in the description to start brain training today.